Hey guys, welcome back. On this video I'm gonna show you how to install a license plate holder in the front bumper. So I had it displayed in the windshield, like right there, but now I bought a kit for a 2016 Chevy Camaro, and then I'm gonna install it. So it comes with the stick and the license plate holder, some screws. So if you look at your Camaro or your car before you buy the kit, it has to say it's convertible. So if you can see this hole right here, right there, that's where I'm gonna install it. So I'm gonna show you in a minute. This is where it came from the dealer, but I don't want to make any holes in the front bumper. Probably for holes. Okay. So I bought this one for the 2016 Chevy Camaro, and it's convertible. So I don't need to make any holes. All I need to do is install it. It has a hole right here. Where I can screw. And this is the license for the license plate. It's gonna hold it like this. And it's gonna be like that. Okay. I bought this kit on Amazon. It was really cheap. It was $23 free shipping. It comes with an Allen wrench, so even if you don't have one, make sure you tight it good. Comes with the screws. As you can see, it's really easy to install. So you want to get a closer look. And here's the front, and then let's see the back. And this is how it'll look on the street. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thank you.